Sorry, Haley. Cow. What are those? Tools. Boots. Yeah, eggs. Rooster. What's a rooster say? Yeah. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Rabbit. What's that? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Bread. Milk. Wheelbarrow. Tractor. Horse. Donkey. Honey. Fruit.
Apple.
Yeah, that's an apple. And a strawberry. What's that?
Banana.
Yeah, banana. Watering can. What's that? Cat. Mm-hmm. Oops, I think I skipped a page. Goat. Do you remember what that is?
Puppy.
Pony. It's a pony. Spade. Bucket. Dog. Sheep. Good job. That's a teddy bear on the back. Yeah, there's the quack. There's the ducks. What are you going to get now? Where are you going? What are you doing, Landon? What are you doing? You want to get the Jenga blocks? Here, should we put them back? Should we make a tower? Look, Landon. You can make a tower with the blocks. Good job. Get another one. Oh.
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 Puppy.
Yeah, the puppies.
Cookie.
Yeah, there's a cat with a puppy, isn't there?
Cookie.